Hi, my name is Jas and I'm from Singapore. And coming to South Africa, a lot of people have asked me about the food from Singapore. So I took that on myself and started these cooking classes, Flavours of Singapore. So a couple of basics that you need when you're cooking Asian food. A wok, very, very important. Non-stick if you can, otherwise the regular. The sort of oil that you would use, I would say recommend using sunflower oil. No olive oil for sure, because in Asian cooking you want the oil to be as flavorless as possible so that you bring in all your aromatics into it when you start cooking. The food in Singapore is a mixture and amalgamation of Indian, Chinese, Malay, and the influences from all over Southeast Asia. So you would see ingredients like lemongrass, fresh ginger, lime leaves, lime, onions, fresh garlic, everything fresh. Today I'm going to cook hake in a coconut aromatic sauce. And some of the ingredients are fresh turmeric, which we have ground in our pestle and mortar. And we've got garlic, ginger, chilli, which we have just ground. And I will show you now the start of the recipe. Okay, so we're just gonna chop one onion, just slice it sort of like that. And we've got our garlic, ginger, chili and turmeric all pounded in the pestle and mortar. And then you get a lime, not a lemon, a lime. And you just slice it very, very, very thinly. Of course, a good knife helps, sharp knife helps. Okay, add a little bit of sunflower oil into the wok. Your onions go in there. And your sliced lime also goes in there right now. Okay, once you've softened the onions, you add in the lemongrass and a couple of kaffir lime leaves into there. This curry is more of an aromatic curry than a Indian curry powder. If only you could smell this right now. Okay, to which goes ginger, garlic, turmeric, and a little bit of chili. The chili you can add as you like. You can omit the chili if you want to as well, because it's got enough warmth in there with the garlic and ginger and lemongrass and the kaffir lime leaves. And to this you add a whole can of coconut cream, not milk. And you see the quality of this coconut cream by this company called Suri. It's proper. Is all I can say. It's the real stuff. So we got that in, a little bit of salt to taste, and a little bit of fish sauce. Just that much, yeah. Like a half a teaspoon. So you let that cook down now. We give it a nice boil, and once it's come to a boil, we add the fish in slowly. Okay, so when it comes to a nice boil like that, you just give it a few minutes, let it come to a nice boil, and then we add your fish in there, and you bring your heat down, because otherwise, depending on what sort of fish you use, your fish is all going to break up. So you really just want to poach your fish in the sauce now. And today I'm using hake. You can use gurnet, you can use any fish you like to actually. And if you don't like seafood, you can even add pieces of chicken in here. That'll work as well. So now you just bring the heat down and you just let it poach in the sauce. And that's your curry. We'll garnish it with a little bit of chopped fresh coriander afterwards. So the fish is poaching away slowly, and it's almost ready, and some fresh coriander, lots of fresh coriander over it, because that brings out the whole taste. So that's your Singapore fish curry done my style. So we've done a Asian table today, and what is Asian? So bring in a couple of nectarines, oranges on the table, couple of birds, light up your candle, and what we have done is we have collected these blue and white Chinese crockery over the years. They're all mismatched, and yeah, that's our table for the day.